Today we're going to look at the assembly of a Guardian system on the Flotronic pump range. The build-up is the same across the entire range. The system has 4 diaphragms, so we have a chamber in between, which can be used for either alarm systems or just as a general safety feature if the inner diaphragms fail. First thing we're going to do is remove the outer diaphragm. Place that to one side. Off comes the barrier ring. And then there is what we call the seal retainer, which needs to come off. And now we need to remove the barrier disc, and there is an O-ring inside of there which we need to remove. And we need to use the screwdriver just to slide it across the top of the threads. And then we can remove it. Then we can take off the barrier disc. Next thing to do is to remove the inner diaphragm. You'll notice there are 2 separate threads on this thrust tube. That's the inner diaphragm off. And there we have the 2 together, and they make up the inner one. So now we rebuild the system. Push the thrust tube through. Attach the first diaphragm. Push it through onto the second thread. Make sure we get it nice and tight. Ideally, we would leave this 5 minutes now and then carry on and put the pump back together. Now replace the barrier disc. And we place the O-ring. So I'd have to push it in to the recess in the disc. And then we have the seal retainer, which has an O-ring in there. Pushes on and into the barrier disc. Hold up the barrier ring, which can fall off, so make sure you hold it. And put on the second diaphragm. Make sure it's nice and tight. Line up our barrier connections. And there we have completed Guardian build-up.